Bandung is a city located in West Java, Indonesia, that is known for its cool climate, shopping, and culinary experiences. The city is located at an altitude of 768 meters above sea level, which gives it a cooler climate than most cities in Indonesia. The average temperature in Bandung ranges from 17 to 25 degrees Celsius, making it a popular destination for tourists looking to escape the heat. Bandung is also known for its shopping, particularly for fashion. The city is home to numerous factory outlets that sell local and international brands at discounted prices. Some of the most popular factory outlets include Rumah Mode, Pasar Baru Trade Center, and Cihampelas Walk. In terms of culinary experiences, Bandung has a wide variety of delicious food options, ranging from traditional Indonesian dishes to international cuisine. Some of the most popular dishes in Bandung include nasi goreng kampung, fried rice with local spices, mie kocok beef noodle soup, and sate marangi grilled beef skewers. Overall, Bandung is a popular destination for those looking for a unique shopping and culinary experience, as well as a cooler climate than most cities in Indonesia. Thank you.